to SR, K to SR, K to SR. Alright, but anyways, this garage is a mess, man. We get this turbo kit out the way. Oh, not much space. So I'll just stop. Our trusty set. It's missing a bunch of stuff. Let's put it all back in. Put that somewhere for now. Put that in there, that's done. Close that sucker up. Let's put these away. Dude, look at that. Definitely an exhaust leak. Okay. You guys already know we're moving this table back because literally I had the turbo sitting right there with the starter and the table started to indent because of the heat, dude. Those parts are probably burning hot. Those rads are probably super hot. These parts are so hot, dude. So freaking hot out here.
Coming from the hood, the D-boys are the superstars. 530 inches on a bucket or new.
Man, I thought Enjuku was fast. We're just waiting on a couple things. Gasket for the headers. Piping for the intercooler. Turbo inlet exhaust studs. Turbo outlet exhaust studs. That freaking pilot bushing. Coil throwout bearing. Release fork boot. Pressure plate bolts. Flywheel bolts. Transmission bolts. From eBay. In other words, it's gonna take forever to get here. Alright. So while we're waiting for all the parts to get here, we gotta finish our fuse and relay panel, finish up the wiring because we gotta wire up the ECU. If you guys didn't see my previous fuse and relay panel that I tried out, it's gonna be right there. You guys make sure you click the subscribe button, like and comment, and let me know what you guys wanna see in the future. Peace out, guys.